So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and herein today I'll be teaching you how to create a beautiful eye makeup look with this green like kind of Pakistani suit. So keep watching this video till end. So starting off with the CTM. So first of all, we are cleansing the face and deeply moisturizing the skin, and then comes the toner parts. It's optional, so I most of the time skip it. So then preparing the eyelids. So starting off with the concealer that is 1 to 2 shade lighter than her skin tone, and then locking it up using translucent powder. You can either go with the compressed powder as well, and then starting off with the colors. So herein I'm taking up brown eyeshadow, as you can see. So placing it from the outer corner towards the eyelid and blending it out. Same on both of the sides. So herein today I'm creating brown smoky eyes, and on the top of that we'll go with the green shimmer. So herein I am adding up the intensity in the eye color. So I'm taking up the black eyeshadow, and you can see I'm blending it over this brown eyeshadow. So you have to do the same, and then I'm following it up with the black liner or the gel liner I'm using from Forever 52, and then smudging it out to add up more intensity. So blend it out till there are no harsh lines visible. So I'm doing the same, just keep on blending and intensify the colors more. And then comes the main part. As you can see, I have taken the green shimmer and applied it over the eyelid. Once I'm done with creating the smoky eyes, we'll go with applying the glitters. So you can see I'm doing the same on both of the sides. And then again I'm redefining the eyeliner. So you can see. And then comes the false lash application. So we'll go with applying the false lashes. So we are done with half of the eye makeup, and then moving on to creating the base. So we'll wipe off the extra product or the unwanted product over the under eyes, and then as I had seen that she had dry under eye area, so I went on with rehydrating the under eye area. And then comes the color correction part. She doesn't require much of the correction, so we went with little quantity of like the concealer that is one shade darker than her skin tone. And then comes the foundation application according to her skin tone. So you have to keep on blending the foundation. So then comes the blush application. So herein I'm using the cream blush from Recode. Then setting up the under eye area and putting up the kajal. And then you can smudge the under eye area. So you can see I have applied the kajal. You can smudge it out. You do not have to take the extra product on the fluffy brush. It's your choice. You can either take the extra product or the black eyeshadow. And then you can see that over the inner corner I have went again with a green shimmer. and then topping the creamy blush with a powder blush in order to lock it up. And then comes the highlighter. And to structure the face, we have contoured the face. You can see the jawline area most importantly. And then completing the eye makeup using the mascara. And then completing the look using the lip liner and then using the lippers.